everyone, welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making chicken chow mein. Let me tell you, this recipe is so delicious. It's easy to make. You can make the best tasting chicken chow mein that is even better than the Chinese restaurant takeout, using fresh ingredients and rich sauce. All you need is one pan. For our ingredients, we have chicken breast, wine or dry sherry. I'm going to put the wine across the screen that I use. We have cornstarch, salt, chicken broth, wine again, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, white pepper, sesame oil. And for our stir fry, we have vegetable oil, shredded cabbage, garlic, ginger, chow mein noodles, carrots. I use regular peppers instead of a hot pepper. And we use green onions. The first thing we're going to do, we are going to marinate our chicken. You're going to add your chicken along with your marinade ingredients into a medium-sized bowl. We're going to mix together our wine, cornstarch, and our salt. You want to mix well with your hands so that your chicken is evenly coated. Now we're going to put that aside and we're going to marinate that for at least 15 minutes. And we're going to move on to making our sauce. Here we're adding our chicken broth, our wine, soy sauce, sugar, white pepper, sesame oil, and our oyster sauce. You want to combine all the sauce ingredients into a small bowl and stir to mix well. Now it's time to cook our chicken. We're going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil in our large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until hot. You want to spread your chicken in the pan with minimum overlap. We're going to cook until the bottom turns slightly golden, anywhere from 30 to 45 seconds. We're going to flip and cook our chicken on the other side until the chicken turns white, 30 to 45 seconds. Then we're going to transfer our chicken to a plate. Now here we're going to pour the remaining 1 tablespoon of oil, our garlic, and our ginger. You want to stir that for a few times to release the fragrance. And next you want to add in your carrots. And your cabbage. We're going to cook and stir until the veggies just start to turn soft for about 1 minute or so. You want to make sure that your carrots and your cabbage is mixed well. Next, we're going to add in our noodles and we're going to toss a few times with a pair of tongs. We're going to mix that well and we're going to set that aside. Now, for your noodles, you want to boil your noodles according to the package instructions until they are done. You want to rinse your noodles with water and drain and set aside. You want to cook the noodles for 1 minute less than the package recommendations. If you use fresh chow mein noodles, you will only need to briefly dip the noodles in boiling water 1 minute or so. Once done, you want to drain the noodles through and set those aside. Next, we're going to add our cooked chicken. We just want to mix our chicken in. Now you want to pour the sauce over your ingredients and toss with a pair of tongs to mix everything together. Next, we're gonna add our green onions and we're gonna toss well until the sauce is absorbed. You wanna transfer everything to serving plates and serve hot as a main dish. Today we made a yummy recipe called Chicken Chow Mein. But if you like this video and you enjoy our recipes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Baby We Eats.